Greetings. My name is Mike Nickerson. The session I'm offering is a discussion about living on Earth as if we want to stay. I've been an independent student since the 1970s, when I was involved in an extensive survey of voluntary and nonprofit citizens groups. What were the problems that called them to action? And what solutions were they finding? It turns out that they were all working on various aspects of sustainability. After 4 years of study, we sorted through our notes and identified a set of principles that encompass them all. That definition can be seen at the end of this video. Ever since that original study, I've been fascinated by how societies evolve. It is increasingly clear that humanity's relationship with the Earth has changed. Until a single lifetime ago, we made practically no significant impacts on the planet. Today, we press against planetary limits in numerous ways. How do we get a civilization that's been growing for 10,000 years to realize it's grown up now? Getting bigger is not what we need to do. In my session, I will share stories to stimulate discussion about a number of things that can help us adapt to our new circumstances. The human family is grown up now. As individuals, when we reach adulthood, we become responsible for our strength. Along with adult responsibility, however, come new opportunities. It's the same with our society today. We are responsible for what we do, and there are many opportunities for finding fulfillment in the time ahead. I hope to meet you when this session comes around.
Thank you for listening to this short presentation by Ollie at USM. Fall registration opens August 4th at midnight. So if you have questions about this class or want help with registration, please feel free to give us a call at 207-780-4406 or email us at olliatusm@maine.edu. We hope to see you in the fall.